Welcome to this explainer. Utah T-bone crashes hide a dangerous legal trap. Let's see who actually pays.
Picture this. A crash happens, and both drivers swear they had the green light. So who's footing the bill? Unlike getting rear-ended, Utah law doesn't automatically presume fault in a T-bone crash. It's literally a blank slate.
Instead, Utah uses specific traffic codes for yield signs, stop signs, and uncontrolled intersections to figure out right-of-way. Break one of those laws, that's negligence per se. Boom, you are instantly held civilly liable.
But here's the catch. Without hard proof, insurance companies love exploiting this he said, she said contest to deny your claim.
Which brings us to the absolute biggest threat. In Utah, this exact number can completely destroy your entire case. Under Utah's comparative fault rule, if you're found 51% or more at fault, you get absolutely nothing. So how do we beat this trap? You need undeniable, objective evidence immediately to stop them from shifting blame.
We're talking traffic cams, private security video, dash cams, and police reports. These instantly cut through all the lies.
You gotta move fast, though. Security and dashcam footage gets overwritten in just 30 days.
Also, modern cars have event data recorders, or EDRs. They track exactly what your speed and braking were pre-crash.
If video vanishes, accident reconstruction experts step in. They use skid marks and crush zone physics to prove liability.
Proving fault is super vital. These side impact hits cause brutal injuries like traumatic brain trauma and pelvic fractures.
So what's your action plan? Call 911, snap photos, request that security footage, and seek same-day medical care.
And listen carefully. Never, ever give the adverse insurer a recorded statement before getting some legal advice first.
Because objective evidence wins cases. If you got T-boned tomorrow, would your dashcam have the final word?